Let's go now to that neighborhood in Cabazon again, where people are assessing the damage after this week's powerful winds. Toppled trailers and damaged some homes there. News Channel 3's Athena Drage joins us live in Cabazon with the latest look at some of that damage. Athena.
We're here in Cabazon on Esperanza Street, where a massive windstorm Monday night left behind damage like this. Take a look at this trailer toppled over. Beneath it, you'll find a car in the ruins, a kitchen set, there's some tires, even electrical wiring left over. And that's not the only piece of damage left behind. Let's take a look at this RV over here. Now, neighbors in the area tell me nobody lives in these units, but they're now wondering who's going to come and pick up these pieces.
Very strong. The wind last night is a wind right here too much. I don't know, but it's too much miles. Yeah. This is broken the trailer over there. Yeah, this is moved. Right here is broken my windows a little right here, but everything right here is good.
As you can see here, the other side of this abandoned trailer just left completely exposed. There's wiring, sheet metal, even broken glass here spread across this lot. We're speaking with neighbors tonight on the damage they've endured and how they're moving forward to pick up the pieces. I'm reporting in Cabazon. Athena Drage, News Channel 3.